Praise the Lord. As we are starting the season of Advent, I'm here with two of my parishioners to speak something about the season of Advent and also to share a little bit about the gospel passage of today. My dear friends, as we see around here, many people are asking, or we see people are talking about advanced Christmas. But for us in the Catholic Church, there is no advanced Christmas. We speak about Advent Christmas, to prepare ourselves intensively before Christmas. And the Church has given us 4 weeks to prepare ourselves for Christmas. What is the meaning of Advent? Advent comes from the Latin word advere, means coming. We are waiting for whom? Waiting for the coming of our Savior, Jesus Christ. We speak about the second coming of Jesus, the parousia, and also Jesus. We are going to commemorate the event that took place more than 2,000 years ago, the birth of Jesus at Christmas. And therefore, this Advent is completely different from the so-called advanced Christmas. And today we shall hear something from the Gospel according to St. Matthew chapter 24, verses 37 to 44, where it speaks about, be on your guard, then because you do not know what the day of the Lord will come. And therefore, to be on your guard means you have to be ready, because as we have given an example here, a thief may come at any time when we are least expected. The coming of Jesus also will be somewhat like that. So we have to be ready at any time, 24/7. That is the way to prepare ourselves for the coming of Jesus at Christmas.
जों दिनैनि माथाइनि बिजाबनि बिसिंथै जोंनाव अबनो साहर दङ जे जों एडभेन्ट जे जिसु आजायनो नायमानि सालनो जों बाहायके यासाकना नां सिन साकनो जों बाहायके तियार खायतनो नां काइतर जोंनो मुतुखायरु जोंनो दिनै हुसके तंदि नै जों हुसके तंनो नांनाय तै कैसाखाय बजोंनो सिक्रिमा हायकेबो सावो खरक नैनि जागाव खरक सानो तलांनाय अर साका बताम हिनै आफ्रो बरक खरक नै खेतो सामुं तांलाय दंखे खरकसा तलां जागोन ते खरकसा तलां जागोन गांके साबो बतलां जागै दंखा बा साबो बा गलां जागनाय आबनो जों सिनि साकनो जों एकदम तियार खायै जों मा तनिनाय जाते नों गलां जागनाय बरक दांना मुचो ना काइतर बाय तलां जागनाय बरक दांना मुचो आबनो जोंनो दिनै मा थाइनि बिजाबदै जोंनो मुइदो खारि दङ एडभेन्ट सिजन दङ
आं बर' किसा साना मोसौनाय दिनै जों माथाइनि चैप्टर 24 ते verse 42 जों खोनागा हुसके तंदि तामने हिनके नरंनि सुब्रायबो बुफ्रो फाइनो आबो नरक सावै मानिया जों अकक थाइनि बिसिंथै साइमानो जे जों जतन चिनि लांमाव जों जतन हुसके मा तंनाय तांगै हिनके चिनि लांमो बुफुरो गाहाम जरा फाइनो बुफुरो हामिया जरा फाइनो जों सावै मानिया जों चिनि तंमुं गाहाम खाय तंखैसे जों काइतर नबो माननाय ते नाइसिंमा मलो जों जाते सुब्राय जिसुनो तेबो गाहाम के यासाक माननानि बागै खा कुवार खा गोथार खाय जों निजिनो तियार मा खायनाय अब हायकेनो जों जतन अजराव गाहाम खाय तंगै नगारि नखंनि बरक पेरिसनि बरक जतबैनो जों गोथालाय बखा गोथार खाय तंगै यासाक लायनानि बागै आं सानानि मोसं
And this waiting that Jesus speaks about, it is waiting expectantly, that we know for sure that Jesus is coming. You know, when we are waiting for the train, we are waiting for the bus or waiting for someone, we wait eagerly expectantly to see that person. But in the case of Jesus, we are waiting with love. Because someone who loves us is coming to visit us. And therefore, our waiting for the Messiah, waiting for Jesus, should be completely different from what we are waiting, maybe waiting for the train, waiting for the bus, or waiting for anything for the matter. But coming of Jesus is imminent, is certain. And therefore, as we have heard in the gospel, we have to wait expectantly. This is the way to prepare ourselves during this Advent before Christmas.
Belai nangmani no father sangno sai khanarika jeng moito khaina khangke nowani molo bo 40 din bo wati wari na hine je afro samani afro borok tam khai tonglakha tongthok cha thok kaimang tonglakha a je samani kokno kebo bokhat ngai khonju khailia gaja ngai tabu bojeng a jorani haino tabu bojeng jani ja samung bai besto keboni kok khnalaya tamong no tamong ya kebo wansuklaya e abono jeng tabu on naisingmani molo jeng Kaitorno sini kha kwarbai sini bokha poriskar khai jeng naisingna nang sini khano tiar khai tonna no abono sino moito khayo
gai sana thangkai jengjo ta no abo haike na tongna nangoda kha kwar kha kathar khai phainai dino chini tamong ya jengdo saime awan bagi na jengji sono kaham khai tiar khai yasakna ne bagai tong khai chini bagai ko kaham nong na yabo.
Therefore, as we have just entered into the season of Advent, the very catchword is waiting. So as we heard in the gospel reading of today, we are waiting expectantly for the coming of a Savior. And therefore, let us enter into this beautiful season of Advent by waiting for Jesus expectantly.